So one of the things that I just want to plant a seed with you for is figuring out for yourself how stretched you are, what you can let go of, what you can do not at 100%, but maybe at 70% and let it still be good enough so that you're not having all these high expectations of everything that you're doing. Because if work needs to be at 100% and bar mitzvah plans needs to be at 100% and cooking supper needs to be, there are too many things that are demanding your full capacity. And what is going to give in that
Right.
situation is your food choices, because it's too much to ask. When we speak about something like willpower or motivation, I think the motivation is absolutely there for you, because if you want to feel more comfortable in your clothes, especially if you're not fitting in your clothes right now, if you want to feel happier, you want to feel, good about yourself, the motivation is 100% there. What we think that we need is willpower, and that's not the case.